Hi, I'm State Senator Colin Benini. If you got a $29 traffic ticket in Delaware, how much do you think that would cost you? If you answered $29, you'd be wrong. A $29 traffic ticket in Delaware will cost you well over $110. That's right, $110 on a $29 ticket. That's wrong, and it's wrong for a variety of reasons. First of all, I think it's misleading. If you're a Delaware citizen and you look at our Delaware laws and you look at the traffic violations or minor criminal violations, you should pay the fine that's listed in the law. But over the years, the General Assembly has added many fees to these very basic fines, to the point where, as I mentioned before, a $20-something fine costs you well over $100. In addition to being misleading, it also has created a perverse incentive structure in our government. We're at the point where we have many worthwhile programs that are funded exclusively by fees added to criminal violations. So we're in a position where worthwhile government programs are dependent on our constituents and Delaware citizens violating the law. That is clearly not where we need to be. If these programs are worthwhile, and I think many of them are, they should be in the budget and they should be funded through a regular process. The third issue is one that affects many Delawareans who are struggling to make ends meet in this current economy, is that some of these tickets, if you get 2 or 3 of these minor criminal or traffic violations at once, you could be looking at $200, $300, $400, $500 bill over what should have been a routine traffic stop because of all of these added fees. And quite frankly, many folks simply aren't in a position to pay that. I know that personally because I've helped a couple of young people who were stuck with extraordinary fines over minor traffic violations, and my wife and I, Melissa, we paid them because these people were facing very significant criminal sanctions if they didn't pay those fines. Do I think people should pay their fines for minor traffic violations? Absolutely. Do I think people should be punished for violating the law? Absolutely. But I also do not believe that we should be funding our government based on these minor traffic and minor violations. So I hope that the General Assembly and the governor and those of the future will start looking at reforming this process, funding the programs as they needed to be funded in our budget, and allowing Delawareans the honesty of paying the fines that are appropriate, not trying to using traffic violations as a piggy bank for government projects. Thanks very much and have a great day.